Y'all ever be so tired of somebody that you've never met a day in your life? That's how I feel about Jada Pinkett. That's how I feel about her. Because when I have time that I don't need to think about important things, I reflect on her. So out of everything that man has gone through for defending you with your alopecia at an award show, he ain't been right since. You decide to do an interview and tell the world that y'all been separated since 2016.
What the heck is happening in Hollywood this year? It seems 2023 is the year of breakups for the celebrities. Like celebrity breakups, celebrity divorces, what is going on? Now it seems like Meryl Streep and her husband have been separated for a while, and people have an issue with it and are linking it to Jada Pinkett Smith. In this video, we're going to discuss about the issue with Meryl Streep's marriage, why people are linking it to Jada Pinkett Smith. I will also share my opinion about the whole issue. But before we continue, I just have to leave this disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes. It does not encourage any form of bullying, violence, or abusive behavior. Now let's get into this video. Some hours ago, it was announced that Meryl Streep and her husband Don Guma have been separated for 6 years. Now Meryl Streep and her husband have been married for 45 years. But now Page 6 and Daily Mail are saying that they've been separated for 6 years. And people are like going, oh, Jada Pinkett Smith has started a trend. And they are not having it. They don't want Meryl Streep to be involved in anything concerning Jada Pinkett Smith.
Past week, it's that divorce is out, but being separated from your partner for 6 years and not telling anyone, and so chic.
Meryl, are you okay? Because it's getting out of hand, you guys. It's getting out of hand. Jada has now started an exhausting trend. Listen, I understand people want to live their truth. 100%, I believe everybody should live their truth. I just don't think that this is the trend that you need to hop on, Meryl, because we stand you. We don't stand Jada right now. We are exhausted of her. We want her to be quiet. You know why we want her to be quiet? Because she's doing too much. You are not a part of the do too much committee. Jada is a part of the do too much committee. There is a difference between her announcing that her and Will have been separated for years compared to you and Don being separated for years. Jada wakes up on a daily basis and she chooses whether or not she wants to rally for her man or not. You and Don have no drama. I read the article. You and Don have just decided not to be in a relationship with each other. You said, thank you so much, Don, for giving me 4 kids. Thank you so much for coming on this journey with me. That is not what Jada's doing. She's embarrassing her husband. Okay? Meryl, we stand for you. This is not the trend for you.
Did Jada Pinkett Smith start a new trend? Meryl Streep splits from her longtime husband Don Gummer after 45 years of marriage. And wait for it, they've been separated for more than 6 years. Well, doesn't this sound real familiar? No, it didn't work out for them, but 45 years in Hollywood is impressive. They initially tied the knot in 1978 and share 4 children together. And the last time they were seen together was at the 2018 Oscars ceremony. Not gonna lie, I did not know who Meryl's husband was before this article. But gotta say, after looking through the photos that were on this article, it's kind of sad. They were pretty cute. And again, 45 years of a marriage, whether it's Hollywood or not even Hollywood, that is a pretty hard thing to do nowadays.
Oh, question. Are y'all about to leave Jada alone now? Because our good sis Meryl said that her and Don Gummer, he's popular in the art world, have been separated for 6 years. She went down to the People magazine office and told them people that her and Don Gummer, her husband, have been living separate lives for 6 years. It says, according to the Devil Wears Prada star, the secret to their longevity was goodwill and willingness to bend and to shut up every once in a while. There's no roadmap on how to raise a family. It's always an enormous negotiation. I'd say I can agree with that. Absolutely. It's all about compromise.
And then when we get back to New York, we need to contact Leslie. See what she can do to minimize the press. on all this. Another divorce. Splashed across page 6. Just imagine what they're gonna write about me.
Someone please tell me that this is a joke. Like seriously, this is a prank or something, because I am not feeling it. I don't even want to hear 45 years. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. Both Meryl Streep and her husband have 4 kids. I think the firstborn is about 42 years. No, I am not feeling it. Because even for non-celebrities, a marriage of 45 years is a long time. And now it's just going separate. I don't know what the problem is, but I'm keeping my fingers crossed that they try and settle it, because 45 years. Now, Meryl Streep is someone that I like. She's classy, she has no issue, she's not involved in all the shenanigans of Hollywood. She has really been like, okay, no shenanigans, no issue. So I like her. I think the first movie of hers that I can recall that I watched was the movie The Music of the Heart. I love that movie. Like, my mother and I, we rewatched that movie like a lot. I really loved that movie. And now I'm hearing this, and I'm seriously hoping that it is a lie, that something is not going on. But people are like, oh, Jada Pinkett Smith has started this trend, and they don't want to see Meryl Streep toe that line. Who knows who the next couple is going to announce, oh, we've been separated for 5 years, we've been separated for 3 years, but we do not want to tell the world, we do not want to announce it, even though it's really none of our business. But any which way, what are your thoughts about Meryl Streep and her husband separating after almost 45 years of marriage? Do you think that they can reconcile? Do you think this is a trend that is going to start happening in Hollywood? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section. I will be checking it out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing by clicking on the red button that says subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification icon by the side so that you're notified anytime I upload videos. Now, with all that said, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
Feels like I've had too much of drama.